Greater Miami welcomes you to the great outdoors. Out here, fun and relaxation are more than activities. They're a lifestyle. And we live it, one stroke at a time. With so many amazing golf courses in Miami, we have something for novice and pro golfers alike. Hop in and make your way across rolling fairways with a sea of green as far as the eye can see. Turn every sand trap into an opportunity. Smooth out every rough patch and make your mark with every single victory. Discover how you can be a natural in naturally stunning courses. And turn your Miami tee time into an unforgettable time